definitely having trouble with these issues here. So, next question. We are looking at inequalities of a graph with a solid line through the points 0, -2. So let's draw our coordinate plane. So here we have x, and here we have y, and the point 0, -2 can be found down here, and the point 2, 1 can be found over here. And we can draw a line that passes through both of these points. And it says that the inequality has a solid line through the points with shading above. So let's put some shading here, and the line is solid. So what the solid line means is that we're going to see that y will be greater than or equal to some function of x, because it is taking in all of the points above the line. And the fact that it's solid means that we're including this greater than or equals to. If it were a dotted line, we would just do greater than, right? Because we don't care about the values on the line, but since it's greater than or equal to, we do care about those values. So we have to construct the line that defines y. And to do that, we need two pieces of information. We need the intercept, and we need the slope. We know the intercept because it's the value at which x equals 0. So this point right here is our intercept, and we know that it is at y equals -2. And we need the slope, which is calculated by finding the rise over the run of our 2 points. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, we're going to take our 2 to be the second point and our 1 to be this first point. So we're going to have 1 minus -2, the 2y values, divided by 2 minus 0. And we're going to get a slope of 3/2. So we have our slope, we have our intercept, and we can write our inequality as y is greater than or equal to 3/2 x minus 2. So as we can see in the answer choices, that's not enough. We actually need to get rid of any fractions and kind of rearrange the terms to find the correct answer. So I'm just going to add 2 on this side because we can do that with inequalities. And we're going to get y plus 2 is greater than or equal to 3/2 x. Then I'm going to multiply the entire inequality by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to get 2y plus 4 is greater than or equal to 3x. And then finally, I see that a lot of the answer choices here have the constant by itself. So I'm going to subtract this 2y to that side. So I'm going to get 4 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2y. And I'm going to look at my answer choices now. So A, 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. So no, we need the other way of writing this is 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4, which is definitely not what A says. Then 3x minus 4y, we don't have a 4y in our answer. And then 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4. So here I would definitely take C to be the correct answer, as it is the only correct answer choice. And I'm going to look at the work here, and let's see what's going on here. So this person actually made the mistake of, okay, so I believe what they did was 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, so we got that. Got that. So same thing, I had 2 plus y is greater than or equal to 3/4. So we had y is greater than or equal to this line, meaning that it's up here. And we added by 2, we multiplied by 2 on both sides, and then we rearranged it this way. And I believe what he messed up is he meant to say that 3x minus 2y has to be less than or equal to 4. Because if we take a random point here, so sorry, I just can't really use this. So if we take a point 0, 0, we know this inequality is actually correct, because if we were to plug in 0, 0, which is obviously a point in here. We plug in a 0, 0. That means that it's in here, and it actually works out in the inequality because we get 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 4, which is true. So that's how we know this inequality actually works. So I would write here that the solution is actually answer choice C. 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 4, yep. I believe that you mixed up the direction of your greater than equal sign as it can be, as you can disprove your answer in your last image by a test point 0, 0. Okay, and we're gonna say solution. Oh no, I did not mean to say that. Okay, either way, we are going to wrap things up here, and I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and hopefully I answered your questions to the best of my ability, and I will see you next time that I'll be answering questions. Thank you very much.